Okay, here we are out, come all the way out to, trying to catch this guy over here. Let's see what happens. Drop my phone in the water. He's supposed to be sitting on this dock for a day or two. Okay, I'm gonna put this. You guys are gonna have to miss the capture, but I can't take a chance, so I'll be back. Whoa. Alright, little girl. Alright. Okay, let's stick her down there. Come on, get down there. That's pretty cool, huh? We'll just hold her in between her legs. There you go. Oops. Alright, now we got her. Off we go. It's a girl too, watch out. Keep them beaks up there. Alright, let's get turned around out here. Yeah. Yeah, we're at a bird rookery. Look up there. Ain't that cool? There's one. There's another one. Let's head on out. Oh yeah, I'm glad to find this place. This is cool. Alright, look at this. There's 100 egrets and stuff up there. Ooh, look at there. Well, a pink somebody's. Ooh. Yeah, not sure how to work. Oh, pink spoonbills. There they went. Ain't this cool? All right, let's get on out of here.